Hi, kamusta po? This is Joy De La Rosa. Taga Irvine, California po ako, laking Pilipinas. But I've been working here as a nurse sa Amerika since dumating ako dito. And of course, I also work sa Philippines, sa Philippine General Hospital, and then I moved to UK, and finally my destination with my career ended here in California. And ang maganda ho dito, we were introduced to the company, Vacation Travel, noong December 2014. And mula noon, marami kami nag-change ng lives na family, even ourselves. So now we are able to achieve yung time freedom na hinahanap namin mag-asawa as nurses dito sa Amerika. Kasi yun ang mahirap gawin. Kasi sa Amerika, alam naman natin, that's why we're all here sa abroad, not just sa America, is we are looking for opportunity. So itong vacation travel is truly an opportunity for everybody around the world, and we are glad that we are being introduced to the company. So yun ang short background ko ho. I would like to discuss with you kung anong meron tayong i-discuss regarding vacation travel. So pag-usapan natin, how yung foundation ng company natin. Bigyan namin kayo ng short overview, what we market, our benefits, and how to get started as travel consultants. Okay, so Taglish version po ito sa mga Filipino around the world, so including Philippines and of course Asia. So guys, how would you like to, magbisita sa mga lugar na to na pinapakita natin ngayon? Sa Palawan, di ba? Sarap umuwi, lalo na pag andun yung mga mahal nating sa buhay. And we're not just travel, we are everything that you spell FUN. So travel is actually the largest industry sa buong mundo, and nobody is allergic to it. Ang company po natin, we started with Extreme Travel. Almost, lagpas na ho actually ng 10 years ang company na to. So, sa industriya ng negosyo, paglagpas tayo na 3 to 5 years, even 10 years, dun yung makikita na matatag ang foundation ho natin. And because of this, we are actually honored and recognized by a lot of top honors and production awards. Ito sa mga kumpanya na nakikita nyo dito sa kaliwa. And our CEO and founder, Mr. David Manning, he's such a genius na he kinreate na tong marketing arm na we call Vacation Travel. So wala pa tayong 2 years, Vacation Travel. So when we started in December, 13,500 lang kaming travel consultants. Now, after a few months, we reached 43,000, and we are global. So very excited kami dito, no? We have a stable company and a brand new marketing arm, Vacation Travel. So, really great timing and positioning. At dagdagan nyo na lang ng work ethics, and everybody here will be very, very successful financially and time-wise. So, why travel industry? Nabanggit nga nila ang there's $8 trillion, and itong industriya na to. And it will grow 2 times in the next decade kasi maraming mga baby boomers, and they will retire very, very soon. Ang travel is actually the #1 research word sa internet. Okay? Kasi lahat ng tao, kay 5 years old sila, all the way to 95, sabi nga ng mga diamonds natin, they want to travel. And almost everyone know and they're willing to travel. Okay, sino ba ang gusto mag-travel sa atin, right? So, vacation travel po, may partnership po tayo with Priceline.com, and majority of us do know yung kumpanya na yon is actually 63 billion. So, na industriya, okay? Na kumpanya. So, even yung mga eBay, Expedia, Southwest, na ano pa natin, na overpass pa ng Priceline.com. So, very confident po tayo with our other partnership din as well with Agoda.com, Booking.com, Kayak, and kung ano-ano pa. And also this one, yung mga Priceline partner network like Living Social, Hilton, HP, AAA, right? So Booking.com is actually going to be our partner. Binanggit nila to noong May nung nagkaroon kami ng first ever convention namin sa Atlanta, Georgia. And we are very excited kasi mas madaming hotels everywhere in the world. So, hindi namin babaguhin yung ginagawa natin, when we book our own travel. What we want to do, actually right now, is for you guys, for us, hindi lang kayo, is to get paid sa mga travels na binubook natin online sa mga travel agencies natin. So, we cut the middleman. Tayo na mismo nagbobook sa sarili nating negosyo, and then we get paid. So, as travel consultants, tatlo ho ang binibigay na opportunity ng vacation travel. So, number one, as soon as you become a travel consultant, magkakaroon ho tayo ng personal booking engine. And we are powered by Priceline.com. So, yung commission po na makukuha nyo ho sa mga travels po natin, isi-split ho ang commission between you as a referral travel consultant, 65%, and vacation travel, kukunin nila yung 35% ito. And number two, we will have a travel club access for members only. And also, magkakaroon tayo ng wholesale resorts and condos access, okay, for ourselves and our customers. And number three, we have an option. How would you like for your travel agency or your travel company to go worldwide? You know, build a travel team and earn 20 ways. Residually yung iba. So, ang ganda ho nitong negosyo na to. So, reviewin lang natin yung rates and benefits. So, as a travel consultant, as soon as you become one, you know, nag-register kayo, you know, you liked what you saw, what you see, magkakaroon ho tayo ng booking engine, open ho to 24/7 online, and we can book hotels, flights, vacations, car rentals, even cruises sa booking engine ho natin. Anybody you know can get hold of this and pwede sila mag-book. It's like a regular booking engine like Expedia or Booking.com or Kayak. But this time, ito ay magiging special kasi they're booking from your website. Ibig sabihin nun, we will get paid. So, ito lang example ng mga how to get money when you book hotel. For this example, kung yung hotel nyo is $148 per night sa Manila, Hyatt City of Dreams, yung hotel will pay an average commission of $10 to vacation. No, I'm sorry, 10% to vacation. Ang sample calculation po is ito ho. So, ang 10% po is $14.80. So, ibabayad ho nila sa vacation travel. So, ang share ho natin as a referral travel consultant is 65% of the $14.80, which is $9.62 per night. So, i-multiply nyo ho yan by how many nights yung booking po nyo or yung client nyo, and then you multiply that by what? $41 or pesos per dollar? So, or kung nasaan ho kayo, yen or reals. Another example po dito pala, no? We also have access to Priceline Express deals. If you want like medyo high-end na hotel or naghahanap kayo ng up to 60% na discount, punta ho kayo dito sa Priceline Express deals, ilagay nyo ho yung kung saan yung location, anong dates ho nyo, and number ng tao, kung ilan ang ma-accommodate, and then you will find better deals here. Wala yung pangalan ng hotel dito, but you will find out later on as soon as you finish you completed the booking, doon natin makikita kung anong pangalan niya. Ang lalagay nilang dito is yung star rating and yung price, and believe me, up to 60% ang discount niya dito. Amazing. So, another example po, sa cruises, if may client kayo or even yourself would like to go, 4 days sa Asia, as example po dito, ang Princess Cruise ho, nagbabayad ng 15% commission to vacation, and 15% of, for example, $549 is 82.35 cents. Okay, so as our RTC, you get the 65%, which is $53.52. So, i-multiply nyo na lang yan times 2 na tao. Kasi usually, pang 2 tao ho ang cruises. So, that's a great deal, no? Magbubook din naman sila, why not sa atin? So, another way, the second way actually to book, aside sa booking engine natin, as an RTC, is to refer travel sa Extreme Travel. So, you have to go back to your back office, or you have to log in your back office, and then i-refer ho natin sila. May form ho ito, and then Extreme Travel will do the legwork for us. Now, pag kinompleto ho ito ng ating client at nagustuhan nila yung price, so Vacation Travel will give us 20% ng commission. Kasi sila ho nag-legwork, pero tayo ho ang nag-refer. So, mas maganda ho yun, kunyari ho, busy ho kayo. Meron ho tayong access sa mga member trips. Imagine going to Barbados, $300.20 for 4 nights. Dublin, Ireland, or kaya sa Jamaica, anywhere in the world, nagkakaroon tayo ng iba-ibang packages ho dito for members only. And what about mga resorts and condos around the world? So, have you heard of Mayan Palace? Ito maganda hong lugar ito sa Mexico. It's actually ito ho itsura ng, ng aerial view po niya. Imagine this area, 500 per night ang average rate nito. But tayo ho, as travel consultant, instead of paying that much, pay $480.25 for the entire 7 nights. And it sleeps 4 people po ito. So imagine mo, almost $500 for 7 nights for 4 people. Right? What about Hawaii? Sinong gusto pumunta ng Hawaii sa atin? $500.70 for 7 nights. And Treasure Island, Fiji, 7 nights for $1,580. Normally, this will cost us $5,000 to $6,000 a night. I mean, for the entire 7 nights. So, that's an amazing deal. Dahil may benefits ho tayo dito sa vacation travel. So, aside from those, meron tayong mga access sa mga cruises worldwide. So, pwede natin tong pagkakitaan as well. So, we also have, kaka-release lang natin ito last month. And, tawag ho dito is Travel Portal. Okay? So, magkakaroon ho tayo nito free sa mga kaibigan natin or family na gusto magkaroon ng discount, small discount, and would just like to keep booking travels with you. So, every time they complete the booking, and refer this booking to other friends and family, magkakaroon ho tayo ng commission sa mga completed travels nila, mga travel bookings. So, that's amazing. So, how to become a travel consultant? Okay, so, right now, sa outside po ng US and UK, meron ho tayong tinatawag na referral travel consultant. This is $99.95. The first month po, kasama na ho yung monthly subscription. Now, the following month, meron ang subscription fee would be $69.95 na lang po. So, dito ho sa package na to, we will get 65% commissions on all the travels, travel club membership, professional travel website, online travel booking, commission tracking and system, our Preco communication system na napakagaling. You can contact and create a video, text, or email. Lahat po ng business partners po natin, and of course our virtual back office. So for those who live in certain areas like US and UK, Mexico, ang tawag ho sa package po nila is Certified Travel Consultant, which is $149. Now, ang sabi ko ho, we have an option to build our team, compensation plan overview, didiscuss ko sa inyo to kasi dito ho, magkakaroon na tayong 20 ways para kumita ng pera. So, meron ho tayong tinatawag na 3x7 residual matrix. This is one of the ways na kikitain natin. This is residual, meaning every month kikita ho tayo. So, 3x7 matrix grows by the power of 3 and pays out 7 levels deep. So, yung 3 ho, kukuha ng 3, duplication ang name of ng business natin sa network marketing. So, 27, 81, 243, 729, 2184. Ang maganda ho dito sa 3x7, I've never seen this kind of payout, is this promotes a helping environment, promotes retention, and creates wealth for all. So, itong 3x7, meron tayong tinatawag na spillover effect. Okay? So, let's say, si Cindy ho, sponsor ho kayo, diretso niya, direct sa kanya, and also Lily and Tara. Pero marami pa silang papasok dyan later. And you were able to sponsor one person. And then si Lily, go-getter talaga. Nakakuha ka agad siya ng 3 tao. While Tara, kunyari, isa estudyante siya, she got 1 person in. Pareho sa'yo. Now, empty ang number 2 and 3 nyo ni Tara. What happens is, yung mga uplines natin, even Cindy, meron pa sila mga ibang business partners na papasok. Now, because 3x7, hanggang 3 lang ang pwede sa first level natin, ang mangyayari sa mga new business partners will be spilled over to us. So, ganito mangyayari. Jill will be spilled over to as your number 2, and Tom pupunta kay Tara, and David pupunta sa number 3 mo, and so will Bob sa other side naman. So, now, kumpleto na ang first level natin, yung sa'yo, yung kay Lily, and kay Tara. Now, kay Cindy naman, yung level 2 niya, kumpleto na. So, what happens is, ikaw, nakakita ka na ng number 2 person mo and number 3. So, what will happen to them? Of course, masi-spill over sila. Yung 2 mo pupunta sa 1, and yung number 3 mo, tutulungan si Jill na hindi mo man lang kilala, pero na-spill over siya sa'yo. So, now, David, hindi mo kilala si David, but he is the superstar in your organization and you don't even know him. He brought a lot of people in the organization and now you're making a lot of money sa matrix, you know. And this is every single month. So, na-experience po namin to sa isa naming kaibigan and business partner sa Australia. So, we are very, very happy for them. So, 3x7 residual matrix overview. So, levels 1 to 4, you have to at least sponsor one travel consultant. So, ang payout amount ho ng per level is iba-iba. $2, $6, $2, and $2. So, maximum per level ho, ito ho. So, level 1, 3, 9, and then 27 and 81. So, may monthly payout ho ito. So, i-multiply niyo ho yung $2 and $3, that's $6. Level 2 po, $6 and 9 people, that's $54. Pagka umusog po kayo sa level 3, yung $2 ho na yan, at ilang tao ho dito sa, sa 27 na to, makaka-achieve ho tayo ng more than $60 every single month. And what happens there? Yung binabayaran ho natin subscription fee na $69 will be free. Okay? Kukunin na ho ng vacation travel yung payment sa e-wallet natin. Dito ho natin nakukuha yung ating earnings. So, no longer sa ating Visa or MasterCard. Ang galing, no? So, how would you like that? A free business. That's why a lot of people are staying in because free na yung business nila. So, to get to level 5, you have to have a total of 3 travel consultants in your business, okay? Para ma-maximize natin level 5. Ang payout nito is $8 every person. And ang income nito is up to $1,944 every single month. For level 6 naman, to open up, you have to have a total of 6 travel consultants. Payout is $8, right? So, a chance to make income up to $5,800 every month. And of course, if you are gonna do this, if you're serious about the business, ang suggestion ko po is go 10 right away. Open up your level 7 as soon as possible. You know, inspire the team. You know, kayo ho mag-create ng spillover sa team nyo and then you inspire them. You promote yourself, you get paid, and, you know, do all this for your team. So, itong level 7 pays out $8 per person. So, in total, we have a chance to get paid up to $25,000 every single month. This is just one way to get income dito sa vacation travel. Now, switch gears na ho tayo. Direct sales commission. Magkaiba naman to sa 3x7, okay? So, every time we personally recruit a travel consultant, you earn a one-time $25 kung RTC siya or $50 kung siya ay CTC. Direct sales commission. Say, Barbara is an RTC, you get $25. Si Ron is a CTC, $50. And Nancy is $25 kasi siya ay RTC. So, may $100 kayo na income. Now, ito namang coded bonus na tinatawag natin. Ang consultants na coded sa atin, starting with our 3rd personal recruit, and every personal consultants thereafter through infinity. So, receive a one-time $10 kung RTC siya, or $20 kung siya ay CTC. Okay, so coded sa atin. So, that's a lot of income there. So, ito yung tinatawag na compensation coded bonus din. No? Kasi starting with your 3rd recruit, the first 2 recruits of everyone in your team will be coded to you. So, starting from Nancy, Mark, si Peter, and all the way, kung marami pa sila nakuha, you get $10 from them. And yung mga first 2 recruits nila, makakakuha rin kayo ng $10 one time. Their first 2 recruits as well, all the way down to infinity. Basta yung first 2 nila, all the way down. That's a lot of $10. I-multiply nyo yan sa yen, sa pesos, you know, at kung ano pa hong currency na kung nasaan ho kayong country. That's a lot of money. Now, $100% matching coded bonus po. Paycheck on every personal recruit that is coded to you. So, again, number 3, all the way to infinity. So, if Nancy, who is coded to you, makes $200, you also make $200. If Mark makes $400, ganun din po. Kung si Peter makes $600, you know, imagine mo, imamatch nyo sila. Dito sa example na to, that's $1,200 matching coded bonus. Now, what happens to your first 2? Kasi yung first 2 na to, coded to sa apply natin. Now, ang maganda ho dito, dahil kinuha ho natin si Barbara and Ron, hindi ho natin siya sila minamatch ng 100%. Ang company, sabi nila, we are going to match them 150%. Okay, yung paycheck nila because they're your first 2 recruits. So if Barbara makes $200, $300 ang makukuha ho natin. The same with Ron, if he makes $400, that's $600 extra. Okay? Kasi they're in our first 2 recruits. Ang maganda ho dito sa company na to, there's no such thing as breakaway. Doesn't matter kung yung third person nyo, who is Nancy in this example, na-surpass po, naunahan niya kayo sa rank and file. You will still match their coded bonus income. So you really never lose your financial benefits with Nancy all the way through infinity. Basta coded niya siya. Now, ito ho, this is a residual income naman. Okay? So, earn $3.20 every month for everyone in your team that pays the $69.95 a month subscription fee that is coded to you. So, starting from Nancy, Mark, and Peter in this example, so that's $3.20, okay? And their first two, kasi all of them are coded to you through infinity. Guys, ito ang income na tinututukan natin, ang tinatawag nating residual income. Something you do correctly in your first few months, few years, and then it pays out every single time, every single month, every 15th day of the month. Dumalaki itong $3.20. How would you like to get paid habang natutulog po kayo? So, ito yung tinatawag nating make money while you sleep. Alright? Dahil tayo ho, kagaya ko, mga empleyado, nurses. Kung may mangyari ho sa atin health-wise, and we cannot work, off-sick ho tayo, hanggang kailan ho tayo mababayaran ng government? But this one, we are creating wealth part-time, habang ho, nagtatrabaho ho tayo sa ating mga boss. Alright, so meron din tayong tinatawag na 100% matching residual coded bonus. This is a third way, residually income, no? 100% matching residual coded bonus paycheck on every person you personally recruit. Dito sa example, you got all 5 of them. So, 100% match. Okay, sa lahat ng income nila, you match them 100%. Okay, unheard of. This is very unheard of. Sa mga trabaho natin, like kami ho sa hospital, we would train mga junior nurses. Tuturuan namin sila. After mga 3 months, 6 months, okay, pwede nyo na silang i-release sa work. Pero, ang company natin sa hospital, they will not match our income. Siguro bibigyan lang tayo ng like a pat on the back, thank you very much, and that's it. But dito sa company na to, if you train and guide your business partners, mga ganun panahon, no? Or less than that, anything they make, okay, you will match that 100%. Diba? Saan ka nakakita ng ganun? Any company na narinig ko about dito, wala pa ako nakikitang gantong klaseng bonus na ibinibigay ng company nila. And again, guys, no breakaway. Doesn't matter kung maunahan tayo ng ating downline, ng ating third person. Coded bonus income, may match pa rin natin sila. So, ibig sabihin yan, we will continue supporting our business partners kahit na nasa taas na sila. We will still continue cheering for them, supporting them all the way. Hindi kagaya ng ibang company po siguro, pagka dating nila, minsan the same level, kundi lumiliit ang income nila, nawawala, nababawasan. Lalo-lalo na pag na-surpass sila. So here in Vacation Travel, there's no such thing. Now, we already discussed the 3 ways yung residual income. And I'm sure, sa tatlong yon makikita nyo yung value pa lang dito sa negosyo natin in Vacation Travel. And we have 3 more. Residual income is the best income any time of the day. And guys, I am telling you, we are enjoying, a lot of us have been enjoying this residual income. So, we have been, bata pa ang company natin. So, we are at the right place at the right time. So, go to the next level. Some more ways to make money, no? So, pagpasok ho natin dito as a travel consultant, ang tawag ho sa atin is either referral or certified travel consultant. Now, kung meron ho tayong 3 tao sa ating organization, ang tawag ho sa atin is executive. If we sponsor or recruit 6 direct people sa ating business, tawag sa atin is regional executive. And as national po, we promote ourselves to these positions po, no? Wala tayong inaantay, but ourselves, we promote ourselves pag meron tayong at least minimum of 10 personally enrolled travel consultant, sa ating direct line. So, ito ang pinakamaganda kasi national ho, minamaximize ho natin yung 3x7 matrix na kaninang diniscuss ko ho sa inyo. Now, ito ho, game changer. Kasi as an international, personally enroll a minimum of 15 people. And sa 15 na ho yun, promote a minimum of 3 separate national executives so, sa organization natin. And we become international executives. So, ang company, bibigyan ho tayo na $600 na lifestyle bonus. Saka nakakita nito. Hindi ito ibabayad kung saan, you know, this cash will be given to you. So, you can pay it out kung saan nyo gusto. Maaring isang luxury car, bayad nyo sa apartment nyo, sa bahay nyo, sa school, sa grocery. It's all yours, the $600. So, malaking bagay ho ang $600. I-multiply nyo na lang ho sa currency nyo. Every single month, we get paid for this. Now, to become presidential, you know, work a little harder and you will get $1,000 lifestyle bonus. So, as a presidential executive. So, imagine mo yan. So, meron itong numbers pong $5 up to $15. Every time somebody comes in your team, in your organization, ibibigyan ho tayo ng company ng $5 to $15 per person. Amazing. So, guys, meron pa. Actually, we're almost done. But this one, we want you to join our Diamond team. Like I said, when we started in December of 2014, in a short period of time, nakakita ho tayo ng leaders, you know, dito sa organization natin, and we are very fortunate and blessed that they are here for us. Naging diamond ho tayo in a short period of time because of the teamwork, team effort. So, how to build and become a diamond? Ang size ho ng team to become the first rank, no, ng diamond level is executive diamond. At least you get 300 people. Even 300 people, and magkakaroon tayo ng guaranteed income of $1,000 every single month because of this position. So executive diamond right now, we just promoted like a few in our team. We have Jojo Tan from Houston, Texas, Frankie Torre-Flores from Glendale, California, and of course Jennifer Cobardo from Las Vegas, Nevada. So we have regional diamond. Siyempre, na-bump up ang income natin to $2,000 extra on top of everything else na diniscuss natin sa inyo. We have regional diamond, Ate Becky Selner from Nevada, and of course, our super guru, Michael Rivera from Florida. And of course, yours truly ho, again, teamwork makes the dream work. And we have national diamond, ang income ho natin, all the way to from $1,000 to $500,000. Guys, tingnan nyo na lang dito sa kaliwa. Or rather sa kanan, sa right side, kung anong income na pwede sa inyo, anong pwede nyong i-hit na goal para mag-achieve nyo yung success dito sa vacation travel. And we will support you as your sponsor and your leaders in the industry, in the company. So guys, 300 people, I didn't when we started out, I didn't get 300 people. I only got 15 people in my, you know, first level, and then doon tayo nakakita ng leaders. And then they showed us the 300, the 500, and we are almost on our way to National Diamond because of that teamwork. So, itong company na to, this will actually retire a lot of us, and magkakaroon tayo ng time with our families. Whatever your goal is, whatever your situation is, this is an amazing deal. Sabi ko nga sa inyo, timing and position. Let's get started. Kung sino ho nag-invite sa inyo, balikan nyo ho siya, get their website, right? And click join us. And hanapin nyo ho yung country nyo doon, and madali lang ho mag-register. Any questions that you have, balikan nyo ho sila and they will answer them for you. Or please connect with us and we will support you as well. So again, this is Regional Diamond, Joy De La Rosa from Irvine, California. Tulungan namin ho kayo paano magsimula dito sa vacation.